Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable and disable the call waiting feature on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So open the phone application on your device. And then within the phone application, all you have to do is tap on the three dots at the top right corner and then select settings from the menu that appears. Now at this point, scroll down and find the calling at accounts option and select it. And then all you have to do is simply find the call waiting option and tap on it. Now if you have a dual SIM, you have to choose which SIM you'd like to enable call waiting for. So select the first one or the second one depending on your SIM cards, and then you should see this option, call waiting. So if you want to disable it, simply tap on the toggle switch icon and that will disable call waiting on your Redmi Note 14. If you'd like to enable it, simply tap on enable it, and then you should see this prompt. The call waiting feature is provided by your carrier. If you receive an error notification, contact your carrier to make sure this feature is supported. So simply tap on, and that will enable the call waiting feature on your Redmi Note 14. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and also subscribe to the channel.